Hello. Yes, today I just purchased a new Sony lens 70-200 mm f4 macro G OSS Mark II. It just released for pre-order in Cambodia and just received it right now. And now I would like to unboxing and read the store promotion from Sony company in Cambodia. Free bag, one bag, and free one UV heater from the shop, camera shop, right? Okay, this bag is good and premium bags, and this nice invoice. Yes, the total cost is 100 six sorry 1699, we can say 1100 USD dollars. Yes, and this is a good land, pack land, lighter, and with modern technologies and the latest technology from the Sony company. Okay, let's see together. I will unbox it. It's right now, yes. The packing is really well. The brand new, yes. Okay, still it out. Oh, very good lenses. Lighter, shorter, and more modern. Yes, the latest technology from Sony. Yes, you can see all together. This is very hood. Yes, original from Sony. Oh, wow, 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 good. Yes, let's see all together. The FE 70-100 mm f4 macro GOSSS Mark II. You can zoom, zoom in, zoom out to see better and how long. Yes, comparing to the previous lens is much lighter, lighter than previous lens. Yeah. The weight is very suitable for you to carry out for landscape. Yes, I will take photograph. It is very clear, large lens, yeah. And you can see, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. See you, bye bye. Yeah.